Action start.
You haven't already started, right? Okay, can you reset that?
तनुज ने इनसे ही प्रेरणा ली है और तनुज अब समझ लीजिए इनके अंडर में बड़ा हुआ है तो आप समझ लीजिए कि तनुज कैसा
अरे
हुआ
बाप रे
होगा।
बाप रे।
एवरग्रीन मैन। तनुज
बोलो।
जो अभी दुल्हन लाया है वो उससे भी टॉप है, समझ लीजिए आप।
What are the questions?
तो मेरी लेंगी my
Yeah, so I know Joe for the past like 8.5, 9 years from Dubai, and she's just been following me all around the world.
Whenever I meet her, I say, and she will respond in the same way.
Okay, Jyoti is an absolute daredevil.
जो बचपन से हैं बहुत सारे पागल हंसी ये खुद के जोक खुद ही जानती है, खुद ही हंसती है, खुद ही पता नहीं क्या कर रही होती है।
Joe is like that crazy mix of all weird kids in one. True. Like she will just keep you entertained and she will bring that inner child in you.
I find Jyoti a very determined person, and that is what is going to make both of these guys go.
And then Tanuj was sleeping and we were putting things in his nose and everything. And I think you put a charger and you flip the switch on. And Tanuj is like, get out of my house right now. ये मेरा घर है, get out of my house.
We know Tanuj since 16 years, and I remember the day when I announced that I am getting married. He actually laughed on my face, saying that यार तू क्या बूढ़ी हो गई है कि शादी कर रही है. And I was like,
Bro, शादी मेरा तो चांस ही नहीं।
Apparently, he was never supposed to get married.
मैं कभी शादी करेगा ही नहीं।
It's not quite often that your friendship turns into a marriage. So take this as a blessing.
मस्त जब भी आया प्यार से मिला, एक रिस्पेक्टफुल मामा करके एक रिस्पेक्ट करके जो पहले से बचपन से दिया है वो तो मानना चाहिए उसका। दादा और नाना का मिक्स डेडिकेशन है उसके अंदर, मैं मानना चाहिए ये बात।
तनुज मुश्किल से 8-10 साल का था तब हम कुर्ग गए थे, एक पिकनिक स्पॉट था, वहाँ गए। वहाँ हम सब अंदर पहुँच चुके थे लेकिन कार में ये रह गया था, कैमरा रह गया था। तो हमने उसको कहा कि जाके लेके आ जाओ। कैमरा लेके आया, कार में से निकाल के लेके आने लगा तो मंकीज़ आ गए और उस पर बिल्कुल अटैक कर दिया। मंकीज से वो छीना झपटी कर रहा है लेकिन कैमरा नहीं छोड़ रहा है और हम दूर से चिल्ला रहे कैमरा छोड़ दे। See, I'll tell you, Tanuj is a mystery because for the longest time, Jyoti didn't feel obligated to tell any of us about Tanuj. After a year that okay, she likes a guy, she's seeing someone and she's very much into him. So in the whole 8-9 years of the courtship, I'm using the polite word here. So in the whole 8-9 years of the courtship, I met Tanuj once. And how I met Tanuj was, he was visiting a friend in Hyderabad and then Jyoti said, meet him.
That sounds exactly like Joe.
That's exactly what she did. So I met him.
So I'm going to tell a funny incident about you.
yes, okay. Did you already do it?
No, अभी बोल रहा हूँ.
One such incident was we were in junior college and we were shit drunk, was lost, and no, we were at one of it was my birthday party I think, and he had to go home midnight, and he was scared that his dad would find out that he's drunk. So what he did was he ate some of the plants below his building to avoid the stench of alcohol, and he ended up puking in front of his dad. So that was one hell of a moment that I can think of.
So at home, basically, Dad got a box of peras at home, and this was when Joe was 2 years old, and she just like finished all the laddus from the box at one shot. By the time Dad could come, so that was a funny incident. that we remember.
And Joe, I'll tell her, I'll never forget the day when I had got up in the afternoon from my nap and I found all eggs thrown over in my kitchen. She had just taken the eggs from my fridge and she just threw them all over the kitchen. And that mess, it really drove me insane.
ज्योति के बारे में मैं जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है. जब से मतलब हम उसको जानने लगे या समझने लगे तो हमारी लाइफ में जैसे एक स्पार्क आ गया.
So it's been a fun day every day with her, every day new things. She's a very unique person and if I go to tell you, you'll have to sit the whole day with me about her, but she's my funny baby. Love you, Joe.
उसकी सबसे बड़ी खूबी क्या है पता है कि अगर उसने किसी के बारे में सुना है, सिर्फ कोई भी रिलेटिव के बारे में सुना है सिर्फ, तो वो अपने ध्यान में रखती है कि ये मेरा रिलेटिव है. और जब उससे वो मिलती है तो इतनी क्लोजली मिलती है कि जैसे उसको बहुत ही अच्छे से जानती है. शी नोज एवरीथिंग अबाउट देम.
Like I have a lot of funny incidences about Joe, and I think the funniest would be her singing Peanut Butter Jelly.
Time is basically that's her anthem for as long as we know her. Maybe it's lessened a little bit now because she's
over time
older. But yeah, there was that is the step that she always did all the time.
Am I supposed to do it too?
Do it.
And Tanuj proposed Joe. This was at Sikkim and he sent me a picture. So I thought that he sent me the picture of the beautiful scenery and everything, and I said, wow, what a beautiful place and what a beautiful place you have gone. And he's like, he called me and he said, what, did you realize what did I send you? I said, yeah, that's such a nice serene place. And he's like, wow, आपने मेरा कचरा कर दिया. I am proposing Joe. Can't you see that?
तो उसने इतनी तैयारी की थी कि ही नीडेड द राइट स्पॉट, राइट क्लाइमेट, राइट टाइमिंग. ही नीडेड वाटर, आजू बाजू वाटर भी होना चाहिए, ग्रीनरी भी होना चाहिए, आइस भी होना चाहिए. इन दैट बैकग्राउंड उसको प्रपोज करना था. तो वो ऑल द वे ट्राइपॉड कैरी कर रहा था सब जगह विदाउट नोइंगली. जो वो कुछ पता नहीं था. तो एक जगह उसको स्पॉट मिला, उसने सब प्लेस किया एंड देन ही प्रपोज. है बंदे में बहुत दम है.
And he goes, I was in the cab coming from the airport and he's like, hello, we missed you for the haldi. And I was like, yeah. And then he's like, call me Jiju.
Oh shit, so he's telling people on the phone also.
Yeah, he's like, call me Jiju. And I was like, hey, ये क्या है? Okay. हमेशा सबको खुश रखने की कोशिश करता रहता है, सबको अटेंशन देता है, बड़े हो, बच्चे हो, सीनियर सिटीजन हो, सबका ख्याल रखता है वो.
And the first moment I saw her, I could just see a lot of similarities between her and Bhaiya, and I instantly knew that okay, these guys are meant to be together.
When we met, I instantly knew that how they both connected each other because they shared the same values, same morals, and they knew what they wanted.
And when I first saw them together, they are this quirky, cute, very, very lively and yeah, made for each other couple. Very cliche, but yeah.
But I would just say that she's one of the most beautiful brides that I've seen, along with my older sister, Deeps.
I think they cover up the madness of each other and they maintain the imbalance between them, I think, which is very great and needed in today's era.
I think they'll probably move to a countryside something.
Yeah.
Or at least start the
like
shift.
Holistic living.
Yeah.
They'll be backpacking across exotic locations in the world.
I agree with him. मतलब कह सकते हैं कि तनुज की लाइफ में जो आने से तनुज कंप्लीट हो गए दोनों. मेड फॉर ईच अदर.
100% they made for each other. दोनों के liking बहुत है. They love nature. They love raw nature.
I think when the ceremony was happening, both of them couldn't control their joy. They were very excited. They were really looking forward to this next chapter of their life.
Yeah, I mean, in a way, they were stressed about the whole wedding scene, but at the same time, they were really happy and they were happy seeing the family around them and sharing the joy. Yeah.
मेरे हमराही जो तुम न होते ऐसा समा न होता.
what is going on in Tanuj's head right now. I'm sure he must be thinking, chill maar yaar. That's his Instagram handle, by the way.
दोनों में से सॉरी सबसे पहले कौन बोलेगा?
दोनों में से सॉरी सबसे पहले कौन बोलेगा?
स्पीकर कौन होगा?
मुझे लगता है दोनों में से कोई भी सॉरी नहीं बोलेगा। नेले पे देला, एक से ऊपर एक।
ऐसे ही होंगे जैसे अभी है, मैड फॉर ईच अदर।
होना भी चाहिए।
As they have been always loving, in their future life they should be loving to each other.
They still keep doing their trips and like make each other laugh and continue their adventurous lives together. I hope they're not, fully consumed in childcare 10 years from now.
And my advice to them is that I'm very happy for both of you. It's a long journey and it's all a part of growing together.
Be natural and be loving to each other.
You both are cool, you both rock, so have fun.
My only advice is to actually I don't have an advice. I just want both of them to be happy because I'm not married.
It's because of Joe I met my partner Khushbu, because they went to the same school. So it's really cool how everything is panned out and how we both made it for each other's wedding. I love you guys. You guys make such an amazing couple, and you guys are so true when you're around each other. And I hope my advice to both of you all would be to let that just be like being yourselves. Let that continue, and I'm sure that will. Joe, wake up early when there's Test cricket, and yeah, I think Tanuj and you'll do well if that happens. Good luck, guys. Love you both.
शादी तो 2 दिनों का मेल होता है, इसमें कोई ना छोटा होता है ना कोई बड़ा होता है।
So Joe, my advice to you is that now that on this day we've seen you taking your feras, me and Tanuj are always going to have secrets and facts that you're not going to know about, but I promise you they're for the best.
ध्यान से रहियो, उसको भी ध्यान से रखो, बस दोनों एक दूसरे का ध्यान रखो, and life is good.
एडवाइस? तनुज को कौन एडवाइस दे सकता है? बच्चे खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, आनंदी रहो।
Made for each other couple है।
Made for each other couple।
तनुज को एक्स्ट्रा पाव बहुत पसंद है ज्योति।
I wish her and Tanuj all the best. May they roam the world together. May they have abundant love and happiness in their life together.
अरे top of the world, they're going to rock it. They both are going to rock it. एकदम superb.
ये तो मिल गया, मिल जाएगा।
I wish you all the best, Tanuj and Jyoti. God bless you, बेटा। खूब खुश रहो, खूब खुशियाँ बांटो। जीवन खुशी का ही नाम है। God bless you.
और देखिए एज अ मारवाड़ी हम लोगों की मैरिजेस जैसे बैंकेट्स में होती हैं, इतना उसमें होता है, बट इन लोगों ने जगह ऐसी चुनी है कि आज हमारे जितने भी रिलेटिव्स हैं सब सरप्राइज़ हो रहे हैं कि मंदिर में भी ऐसी शादी हो सकती है और सबको इतनी अच्छी वाइब्स आई है, इतना एंजॉय किया है आज सबने, उसकी मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि बच्चों ने बहुत सही जगह चुनी है।
तनुज और ज्योति की जोड़ी बहुत बढ़िया है, सदा मस्त रहे, खुश रहे, सबको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ हमारी तरफ से। धन्यवाद।
ज्योति और तनुज की जोड़ी बहुत मस्त है। मैं ज्योति की ददिया सास हूँ, मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आई, जो शुरू से पसंद थी वो तो।
she's doing her bit, उसको शर्माना है तो तेरा काम कर। हाँ, she's doing वो शर्माने का तेरा।
Are you happy?
Okay, how are the bites?